What's up, guys? Welcome to part 3 of the Mustang turbo build, and today I am working on, I'm going to take this turbo apart so we can also get this all freshly done. And in case you guys don't know, I have a used on 3 turbo kit, and that's what we're installing on my 03 Mach 1 here. So yeah, let's get started on this turbo. Okay, as you just saw, that came off super easy. So perfect. That's pretty cool. Some type of housing here. No big deal. Okay. I'm pretty sure it was missing a couple balls, so I'll have to grab a couple of those. No big deal. Now we gotta get to these ones, I would assume. That's gonna have to be broken with this bad boy. Oh yeah. And it's easy. It's no big deal really. Except that. That's kind of a deal. Should I just go like this maybe? Yeah. Alright guys, turbo is taken apart now, so now I'm gonna message the guy. Now that I have everything ready to go to get painted, I'm gonna message the guy, see when I can meet him, and then tomorrow I'm taking the oil pan to Jeff's to get that thingy welded, the oil feed line welded to that, so I'm gonna get that cleaned up, and so I will catch you guys up when all that stuff happens. Woo! Okay, we're in. We're heading to Jeff's, and oh my gosh, that is not good. Wipe that down real quick. If you guys aren't keeping one of these bad boys in your rig, you're doing it all wrong. Oh yeah, don't want that. You know, getting all spotty. Yes. Okay guys, I got the item. Do I? Yes, I got the things. Okay, like I said, see you guys at Jeff's. We gotta drive in this winter storm. What's up guys? Back from Jeff's. This is awesome. This is so flippin' sweet. Check that out guys. Ooh. Yeah, well that bad boy in for me. So this, I guess this is where the oil drains back into my oil pan. So we got that done. That means I'm gonna put this bad boy back in. I'm gonna repaint that, and then put that back in, then the K-member back in, and then get back to all the other things that I have to do. But I'm gonna call that today. I'm gonna hang out with the old ball and chain for today, and then get back to this tomorrow. So see you guys tomorrow. What's up guys? It has been a few days since I've been back here on working on the Mustang. We just ended up partying all weekend instead of doing anything on the Mustang and getting anything done, which is not good. So we're back to it. Like I said 1,000 times, today we're gonna do the head studs, and I was just doing some Googling, and where's my thingy? Here it is. Let me grab one of these bad boys and you just whoop. At any rate, on how to do the head studs. And I've helped buddies do it before, so I was Googling it just to double check. But I can see them. Okay, so there's one. There's the other one, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Ooh, how are we gonna get those ones? So I'm gonna do one at a time. I don't think I have the right torque wrench. I don't know. CJ was saying something about something. So I have to text him real quick. And we're not even gonna look at the oil pump gears right now. We're just gonna focus on that. We're gonna get one thing done. We're gonna start knocking some things out. Okay, so here we go. All right, guys, looking at my sheet here from ARP, it tells you what to tighten them to. So we got 25 foot-pounds, then 50, then 70 as our final torque down number. So we're gonna do exactly this. We're gonna pull one out, put it back in, and then same thing here, and then tighten them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Follow those numbers. Get them all to 25. Get them all to 50. Get them all to 70. And I just watched a YouTube video on how to set this torque wrench, and I am fairly positive. I have it set at 25 right now. And so that'll be for our first thing. So I'm gonna take one of these out and get rolling on it. Oh, also guys, I'm pretty sure I totally forgot to tell you, but I took my whole turbo kit is in, and it is getting Cerakoted and powder coated. Should be done in a couple weeks, he said. So I did that a few days ago. So I'll keep you guys updated on that. Make sure you check out our Instagram for daily updates on anything crazy happening. But back to the head studs. Okay, guys. I don't know what this. I got an impact, half-inch impact. I don't know if this is something you use an impact on. Oh God, did I just hit you guys? I don't know. I don't know if that's something you do. I don't know if this is even right. Probably blowing up my motor as we speak. Who freaking knows? Oh. Worst case scenario, we drop it off at Jeff's house. He figures it out. Okay, it's loose. This is my first one, so we're gonna take her nice and slow here. Real smooth, like. Anybody know what that's from? It's from SpongeBob. I don't know what's happening. Ta-da! Stud number 1. So I didn't know this. So from the factory, it's like a bolt. And then aftermarket, it's not? Okay, all right. This is interesting. Here's my kit I ordered, guys, like 4 years ago. And we're finally getting to it here. Okay, stud 1. I'll catch you guys up after I read something. All right, guys, and I FaceTimed CJ for that, and they were like, man, you should have recorded the FaceTime. So FaceTime CJ. Because now I have another question for him. CJ. Wow, I look too... All right, it's recording this time. Quick question. So I'm gonna put the one stud in. Should I crank that all the way down since all the other ones are in to what it should be, or should I do it just like lightly, or like just kind of snug it, do all of them snug, and then go back through and go full tight?
No, I believe when you do it one by one, you tighten them all the way down.
That's what I'm thinking, because it's clamped down with all the other ones right now.
Yeah.
That's what I'm gonna do. Okay.
Yeah, I believe that's how you would do it. I've never done them that way before, so I don't know.
That's how Olivia would do it, she said.
she knows exactly what we're talking
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna do it that way.
Yeah, that's the way I would do it. I mean,
Yeah. Worst case scenario, what? Blows the head gasket?
yeah.
Okay.
Oh, Lord, that sounds bad.
No, that's not a big deal. Okay, thanks again.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Alright. That's what we're gonna do then. Okay, guys, I just got off the phone with Jeffrey, whose Mustang you just saw at the beginning of this video. And so I snugged this down. You just saw like nothing. And so he said, get it all the way down and then do a half a turn back. And then he also warned me that when I get to like these bolts, it's gonna hit the shock tower here. And he told me that I started laughing. I gotta pull this engine mount bolt and like somehow move the motor up like this, yank that bolt out. So I will get there probably here shortly because I want to go, in a nice fashionable order here. So just more things you learn that are gonna take a little bit of time, but I'm gonna take my time. We're gonna do this right, guys, and then we're gonna have a super sick turboed 03 Mach 1 this summer, and it's gonna be sick. So yeah, that is that right now. Sorry this is like kind of choppy and I'm just filling you guys in like as I go, but like that is like I don't know the next step until I learn the next step. Okay, guys, so I did it and then I got nervous, so I loosened it back up and the nut's not even in there, and redid everything. By the way, I put the stud in all the way till it stopped. And why is there a bolt right here? That's not good. We got random bolts. So at any rate, I put the stud all the way in, and then I did a half a turn back so I don't crack the block, apparently. Now I'm gonna snug this nut down. Final is 70 foot-pounds, so I got my torque wrench here set to 70 foot-pounds. And I know having an extension on it, I don't think is the best, but maybe I'll make another phone call. Oh, that was it. That was it. That can't be it. I gotta make a phone call. There's no way. That was like nothing. Oh. Okay, let's see if we know what we're doing. Alright, guys. Ooh, that was kind of pretty with the sun. Ooh, yeah. At any rate, basically confirmed that I am gonna go get another torque wrench just to confirm, because I'm kind of questioning, like, I don't know what 70 foot-pounds feels like. And to me, it feels like I'm barely getting anything out of it before it's like click. So I am gonna get another one. Probably not tonight because I got other things to do. And but I think tomorrow I'll go run to AutoZone. I'll rent one. I don't know how much better that one's gonna be. And we'll restart the process and see if it feels exactly the same. If it feels the same, then I'll stick with the one that I got. And then we'll know that we're good. Because I don't want to do this wrong or twice. So we're gonna do that just so we can confirm, and then we'll just be rocking and rolling, guys. So I might make this part 3. I might end it here, so if I do, look out for part 4. If I don't, then keep enjoying the rest of the video, and I will update you guys tomorrow when I get that new torque wrench. Yes, sir.